recipe lounge. Today we are making Raita, Bondi Raita. This is Bondi and it's made out from chick flour. I've soaked it in water to make it soft. I have 1 green chili, which we have cut. Here I've have 2 cumin seeds and black pepper, salt, onions, and cucumber. Here I've had 2 cups of yogurt. And put everything in the yogurt. The green chilies. All these things. Now I'm going to mix really well. We are also going to add some coriander. We have strained the bundi. Now we're going to add it to the yogurt. We're going to put half a cup of water in. Now we mix. I'm going to put it in this beautiful dish. This is a quick and easy recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.